Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna do a how to get slime life hack. You guys might just know this, but get one of these squish ball things. Squishes. The balls will come out, and then you will get the opportunity to cut it. And then whenever you cut it, whenever you cut it, there will be these ripped slime things coming out, and then whenever you got how much you could get, you might want to do more than one. And then whenever you think that's how much you can get, cut the rope, cut into this little ball part, and there's some slime in it, and mine is glow in the dark. I'm just not sure if I should get slime out of it. I really like it this way because it's glowing. I can win it this, but I actually bought it. And I also got this ball from but you cannot use this ball. Oh. Alright, comment down below if you guys want me to cut open and show you the slime. I don't really want to because it's one of them. And plus, I do not use tickets from Chuck E. Cheese. I actually, my grandma, but I call her Nana. She got me this, so I actually made my decision. I will not do it. Look. So cool. And there's glitters, and look, glows, and you can also squish it where it glows. Cool, glow in the dark bubbles. Wait, I'm gonna put it over there. Great. See you guys in the next video. It's gonna be continuing.